Inflation is out of control, and it's been this way for a while. Frank Holmes, CEO of U.S. Global Investors and Executive Chairman of Hive Blockchain Technologies, said that it's time to get into assets that will be inflation-proof. We'd like to add that it has to be perpetually inflation-proof because inflation will never go away. For as long as we're using fiat currency, fiat money, inflation won't go anywhere. There are many assets that weather inflation. Real estate is one, but that's only one asset that not only survives inflation, it typically goes in the complete opposite direction, and that's gold. So what Holmes said, he predicts the price of gold to move to $4,000 an ounce in the next 3 years. It wasn't surprising. It is in fact overdue. For an asset with such limited supply and high demand, it really hasn't moved much in the last few years. A correction is inevitable. Unlike other assets that correct lower, gold will protect higher because it's much more valuable than its price tag. Holmes, whose firm manages more than $4 billion in assets, added that if inflation was calculated by traditional methods, it would be about 12%. Yes, 12%. Way above the 2.5% the Fed continues to make us believe. Now, I'm not surprised by this. U.S. government and the Federal Reserve is trying to talk down inflation because the economic recovery is very fragile. Investors, consumers, and business owners' confidence is also fragile. One little snag in their confidence, and they may not invest, they may not hire more people. So the government and the Fed are not being honest about inflation. Using inflation and economic stats provided by the government is probably not the best way to go about designing your portfolio. Things are much more complicated than that. I strongly suggest you consult a financial planner, advisor, check out gold, other precious metals, but look at investments that can prepare you and protect you against inflation.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.